Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the concept of independent sample t-test and how to perform independent sample t-test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, Econometrics, MS Excel, statistics and mathematical economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the concept of independent samples t-test. Independent samples t-test is used to find or to compare the difference between two groups, the mean difference between two groups. Mean difference between two groups, and these groups are mutually exclusive. These two groups are mutually exclusive groups. So here you can see the hypothetical data of 30 students, and their stress level. So we have male and female students, and we are interested in comparing the stress level of male and female students, and therefore this is the we have two mutually exclusive groups, male students and female students, so we can perform the independent samples t-test. Now, one of the requirement of independent samples t-test is the homogeneity of variance. So first we need to check the homogeneity of variance, whether data is normally distributed or not, and then we will perform independent samples t-test. So first you go to t-test. In t-test we have the option of independent samples t-test. So what is our dependent variable? It is stress level. Our grouping variable is gender. So move gender to grouping variable box. Now first we see the homogeneity test, then normality test and descriptives. So select descriptives, homogeneity test and normality test, and now let's understand this concept. So first we see the normality assumption. The associated p-value is greater than 0.05. The Shapiro-Wilk test, and therefore our data is normally distributed, right? Then you see Leven's homogeneity of variance test. The associated p-value is 0.09, again greater than 0.05. So the H0 for homogeneity of variance or Leven's test is variances are homogeneous against the alternative hypothesis of variances are heterogeneous or not homogeneous. So here we fail to reject the null hypothesis, and therefore we can conclude that variances of two mutually exclusive groups are homogeneous. Now we can see the students t-test. So here we have the result. The p-value is 0.013, t statistic is 2.66. Now since this p-value is less than 0.05, we reject H0. Now what is H0 in this case? H0 says that stress level in male students is not significantly different from female students, and alternative hypothesis says that stress level in male students is significantly different from female students, and we reject the H0. So it concludes that the stress level in male and female students are significantly different from each other. Now we want to check whose stress level is higher, and therefore we are going to use this descriptives box. So see the result of descriptive statistics, and here we have the mean of male and female students. So this mean stress level in male students is 42.6 and mean stress level in female students is 33.4. So it says that the stress level in male students is significantly higher than female students. Now this shows the statistical significance. We need to check the practical significance, and therefore we use effect size. So you select effect size and then check your t-test box. So here we have the effect size of 0.988. Since it is greater than 0.8, we conclude that the difference between these two groups is both statistically and practically significant. So this effect size of greater than 0.8 shows the practical significance of the difference between two groups, the mean difference. So this is how we can interpret the independent samples t-test result. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.